Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to write good AI prompts in Notion. Learn to harness the power of great prompts and follow-ups prompts to create compelling content, and discover how to use these skills to craft a dynamic blog post. To initiate the process of drafting with Notion AI, head to a blank page and click on Start Writing with AI. Notion will offer suggestions, but you are free to type your own prompt. For instance, you can ask AI to create a meal plan, then guide it with follow-up directions for a personalized result. The possibilities are vast. You can draft project plans, brainstorm social media captions, or even weigh pros and cons for crucial decisions. Remember, the quality of your response is closely tied to the quality of your prompt. Enhance your skills by understanding the key parts of a prompt: the medium, topic, and format. Craft detailed and specific prompts for optimal results. Use AI its fullest potential. Drop blog posts, project plans, social media, and more with ease. Embrace the synergy of human creativity and AI-powered assistance, making your writing journey efficient and satisfying. So, embark on this AI-powered adventure and experience the magic of Notion. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.